right through me. Can't you understand? Oh, my little girl. All I ever wanted, all I ever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary. They can only do wrong. Are spoken to be broken. Feelings are intense, words are trivial. Pleasure remains, so does the pain. Words are meaningless and forgettable. Whatever wanted, whatever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary. They can only do
Ricochet, you take your